Trine University is a college located in Angola, Indiana. Many of our classrooms at Trine University are a lot like the classrooms you would find at your school, but some are very different. Students who want to learn about things like health, engineering, business, or even golf work in special laboratories where they can find out more about the work they want to do when they leave college. All that you're learning now in science, technology, engineering, and math can help you in these areas. Storm likes to learn, and he's excited to have you join him for STEM with Storm. STEM is an acronym for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Math. A civil engineer designs, constructs, and improves the physical world around us. Civil engineers build skyscrapers, tunnels, stadiums, and everything in between. They're also responsible for our roadways, bridges, and airports. They maintain our lakes, rivers, and parks. Their work impacts where people live, work, and play. Civil engineers improve our daily lives.
Hello everyone, today we are going to make concrete. I'm Gary Green, I teach at Trine University, and today I have with me two students, Drew and Anna, and of course we have Storm with us again today. So we are doing this in the civil engineering labs here at Trine. So concrete is made out of several materials. It's made out of water. So there's a cup of water that comes with that. You just need to fill that full. There's a bag of cement, sand, and stone. And when we mix these all together, we get concrete. So concrete is something that you'd see everywhere. When you walked into your school building this morning, there was concrete on the sidewalk. When you drove to school this morning, there was probably concrete in the roads. Your house or where you live has concrete probably touching the ground. So there's concrete all over in the world where you live. So we're going to start today by moving the bag of cement into a second bag just to make sure that we don't make a mess with this. All right, so we're going to open up that bag of cement and we're going to put in the amount of water that will fill the little cup that came with the kit. So we're going to try to get a little bit of the excess air out. That'll help make it easier to mix it together. So we'll put the one bag inside the other. It'll be double bagged, double sealed, hopefully no mess. All right, and then we can begin by just kneading that together. Everyone can take a chance. So you want to try to mix up all those little, you'll feel like little hard pockets of cement. We want to get all those mixed into the water really well. So everyone can get a chance to mix that together. Okay, so those two things together make paste. So to the paste, we're going to add the sand. So sand with cement paste makes mortar, and mortar is used to hold bricks and things together. So if you have a brick building or a brick apartment building or a brick school building on the front, brick on the front, that will be held together using mortar. So that's just cement, water, and sand. All right, so we just want to try to get the air out again. Double bag it so we don't make a mess. And then we can mix that together. It might be a little harder to mix now. And then lastly, we'll add the stone, and that will make this into concrete. All right, so we get all the air out, mix it one last time. It should be starting to feel a little stiff. All right, once we get that all mixed up, we now have concrete. So concrete is kind of fluid, it will flow wherever we put it. So we need to give it a form. So a lot of times when we're in a lab, or making concrete for fun, we make it into a cylinder, so we make it a circular shape. So we're going to actually use just a can with the bottom cut off of it so we can get this out when we're done. And we're going to squish that up and push that into the can. So the can will give it the circular shape. So we'll hold the can down and push the concrete down in there, the bag. And now we have concrete in a mold, and tomorrow morning or the next day that should be hardened, and then we could use it for things. All right, well, thank you for joining us and watching us make our concrete.
Today's big idea. Where would you see this type of material around you?